Hey guys, it's Carter. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 apps that I would recommend having on your phone at all times to try to make as much money as possible. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, what we talk about is everything money. We talk about stocks, money management, credit cards, everything money. So hit that like button and subscribe, and it means the world to me that you guys even clicked on this thing. So guys, let's jump into app number 1. Let's go. All right, app number 1 is Robinhood. And I can already hear the comments saying, Carter, why would you pick Robinhood? Robinhood is terrible. It's trash. Hey, at the end of the day, Robinhood is actually a relatively easy broker to use. It's very, very convenient and it's very, very user friendly. I don't feel overwhelmed buying, selling, and honestly, they make dollar cost averaging very, very easy because you only need $1 to invest. Where other brokers, you either need full shares or you need, $10, $5. With Robinhood, you guys can invest $1 into any company you want to invest in. And you can set it up for auto pay so you guys can buy that stock every day for $1 if you want to. But not to mention, Robinhood has no fees, no commission, so all the money you invest is going to an investment. Where other brokers like Acorns, they will charge monthly, and I know people don't care about a small monthly fee, but hey, over the course of 40, 50 years, that small monthly fee adds up to a lot of money. Whereas Robinhood is completely free, so you don't have to worry about any fees, commission, or any of that stuff. Now, one of the main reasons why I love Robinhood is because they offer something called a 1% match on your IRA. What that means is they will match whatever you put in 1%, whereas most brokers would never do that. The only time you hear people matching the money they put in is with an employer. So whereas Robinhood is the broker and they're incentivizing you so much to work with them that they're literally willing to give you 1%. And if you guys maxed out your IRA account every single year, that is over $65 that they're pretty much giving you. That's a decent amount of money, especially where you don't have to actively work for it, and it's going straight to your investments, which is great. But by far, Robinhood is a very, very easy broker to use, and it's one that I would highly recommend for people that are just getting started with investing. And they make buying and selling very, very easy, and I see a lot of people that will actively use this for swing trading, not as much day trading, but more swing trading, so you guys can start that process as well. I'll put links to this down below, so if you guys want to sign up, you guys get a couple of dollars just by signing up and clicking the link. App number 2 is honestly a great one. This one here is M1 Finance. M1 Finance is literally the go-to. It's the GOAT of apps. It's the GOAT of investing apps. Honestly, what they are is they are a commission-free, pretty much everything broker other than trading. If you're looking for trading, skip on to the next app where that one is heavily designed for swing trading. But M1 Finance is really designed for long-term investing. Now, the reason why is because they offer something called pie investing. Pretty much what this is if you guys have $10 to invest, instead of putting $10 into one stock, you guys can put $1 into 10 stocks. This is a great way to invest. It offers great dollar cost averaging, especially with no hidden fees, no commission or anything like that. And it's just one that I would recommend. Not to mention, what they have is portfolios that are suited for you. If you guys don't know where to invest or what to invest in, M1 Finance, they pretty much got you covered. What they offer is pretty much different portfolio classes. So if you want income investing, general investing, or if you just want to dabble with different companies, they have all that on that platform, which is really nice and it's really, really convenient. Now, honestly, I think a lot of people look at Acorns as like this grand investment. They're the best broker you can have. No, Acorns charges literally $3 to $5 a month, whereas M1 Finance is $0 and it offers better products. Not to mention, they offer all the Roth IRAs, IRA accounts that you guys could ever ask for. But comparing it to Robinhood, M1 Finance, they do not have a match as of right now. Now, the only issue that M1 Finance has is it's not suited for day trading or swing trading in general. It's actually virtually impossible to do it with this broker. Now, the reason why is because they offer something called trade windows. Pretty much what that means is you give them a certain dollar amount, and if you want to buy $5 of Apple, they will offer that trade window from about 9:30 to 10 o'clock, so they will order fill it, during during that time, virtually making it impossible to buy and sell, within a couple of minutes. But by far, M1 Finance is definitely suited for people that just want to invest and forget and invest for the long run. And I'll put links to M1 Finance, so if you guys want to check it out, links are down in the description. All right, moving on to the last and final app that you need in your phone at all times. The third and final one is MooMoo. Now, MooMoo, this one here is suited for people that want to take trading serious. What they offer is a standard broker's account, but the beauty of this broker is the charting, the software, finding stocks. They offer all this fantastic stuff that is 100% customizable. You guys are a day trader, they have day trading stuff. If you have swing trading, they have swing trading stuff. If you guys want to invest for the long run, you can do it here, but they don't offer a Roth IRA or any IRA accounts, but you guys can still do it on this broker. And with that being said, there's no fees or commission or anything like that. But with MooMoo, you do have to buy full shares. As of right now, they do not offer fraction shares, whereas M1 Finance and Robinhood, they do offer that. But the reason I love MooMoo so much is because they offer something called paper trading. Paper trading is just simulated trading. What that means is if you're learning a strategy for day trading or swing trading, you can integrate that with simulated money, so you can practice that strategy, work on that strategy, tweak that strategy, and find a strategy, one that works well for you. Now you guys can do this, and I would highly recommend doing that before you guys ever even day trade or swing trade in general. But each of these apps is definitely suited for a different type of investor. If you're looking for more of the trading side, you're gonna go to MooMoo. If you're looking for more of general investing, just getting started, you're gonna seek to Robinhood. If you guys just want to invest for the long run, I would recommend that M1 Finance. All these are great, and honestly, I would rather see you guys use any one of these than not invest at all. The biggest issue and problem I see with people is not getting started. And at the end of the day, it's like going to the gym. If you go to the gym one time, you're not going to get in shape. If you go 2 times, you're not going to get in shape. You got to go consistently. Investing in trading is the same way. If you invest one time, that's great, but you're not an investor. You got to invest consistently in order to make those gains, especially with trading, where you got to trade consistently, develop that strategy, and just continue to tweak it and work on it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'll put links to all these brokers down below, so if you guys want to sign up, it means the world to me, because I get a little bit, you guys get a little bit. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive. We'll see you guys later. Take care.